Hi, my name is Ryan and I'm Head of Customer Success here at Cogniss. My colleague and I wanted to challenge ourselves to recreate the key functionality of a leading digital health app on our no-code platform. What we found was that we were able to do so in a ridiculously short amount of time. Here's what we did. We took a look at some of the most popular digital health apps in the market today and picked one that focuses on improving its users' mental health. With over 70 million users in 190 different countries, it's easily one of the world's most prominent digital health solutions. We rebuilt the visible functionality of this app on Cogniss and named our app Cogspace. We started by doing a full analysis and breakdown of all the visible functionality in our chosen app. What we found was that while the app has been built on a foundation of meditation content, it contains a few features that really enable its users to transform their habits and improve their mental health. The key features we identified and decided to replicate were onboarding, regular check-ins, gamification, and reminders. These features work together to create hyper-personalized and engaging experiences for the app's users. So we got to work, starting with the foundation of our chosen app, meditation content. Cogniss supports a wide range of different content types, as well as offering a number of different content templates. As our objective was to recreate just the functionality of this app, we didn't spend too much time on creating content. Instead, we curated publicly available videos, articles from across the web, and created our graphics using Canva. Within a couple hours, we had a library of meditation content for our users to engage with, and we were ready to add the identified features into the app. We started with the onboarding sequence. Cogspace's onboarding sequence is designed to set users' expectations and educate them on how to best use the app. Onboarding is also an opportunity to collect some background information on each user and where they're at in their current mindfulness journey. All user data gathered in Cogniss can easily be viewed live and exported via the Cogniss Insights portal. Then, we added regular check-ins. This helps our users reflect on how the app is helping them progress in their mindfulness journey. Additionally, check-ins give us access to data that shows how our users are tracking in their mindfulness habits and their mental health. Next, we introduced gamification elements. To motivate users to keep engaging with the app, we use badges and virtual goods to reward positive app usage. Cogniss has an entire repertoire of pre-built gamification features available that can automatically be triggered based on simple or complex criteria. We also added a scoring system to gauge how a user feels when they complete their check-in. This allows us to personalize the user experience by suggesting relevant content streams. We did this using the behaviors section within Cogniss that lets app creators create highly customized and sophisticated pathways for their users. Finally, we set up reminders. For this, we leveraged the notifications feature on Cogniss to remind users to practice meditation in their everyday lives, helping them develop new habits. Cogniss supports push notifications, email notifications, and in-app pop-ups. These can be triggered for all app users, groups of users, or based on an individual user's profile information, activity status, responses, and so much more. And so, within 12 hours, we managed to replicate the major functionality of a leading mental health app on Cogniss. But we didn't stop there. As a bonus, we also added peer support groups in Cogspace, allowing users to share mindfulness content with one another, as well as encourage each other on their personal mindfulness journeys. We did this by simply turning on and configuring a pre-built feature on Cogniss. This really only begins to scratch the surface of what's possible on Cogniss. With over 80 pre-built tools and templates functioning like building blocks, there's nearly an endless variety of ways that these can be combined and configured to create highly customized apps that solve unique problems. Is there an innovative app you'd like to bring to life? It's easier than you think.